Hey kiddies, welcome back to our channel. I'm Lehna, I'm Louise, and me and my family, we're going cherry picking, so we're going to teach you all about cherries. So let's get started. Yay! We are 26 minutes away from the cherry farms. There's this place that has lots of cherry farms called Young. Yeah. We're probably 25 minutes away. Yeah, this is the best. Let's pick some cherries now. Louise, can you speak a little bit louder so then they can hear you? Yeah? Like, I love picking a lot of cherries. I like picking a lot of cherries. She said so, and we're gonna pick cherries because she wanted to. We are here. I'm so excited. What about you, Louise? You excited? Yeah. Let's go pick some cherries now. Woohoo! Now we're going to show you how we can actually pick the cherries. So see the little stems? We're going to twist that part there. Whoop. Whoop. So turn out like that. You can do it in a tricycle if you want. So if you take like the whole branch, like over here. I don't think you can see. But there's like little reddish dots on the branch. That's the little cherries that are going to grow for next year's harvest. If you just take it off, like you pull it, it won't last that long. But if you take it like this, like a tricycle or a bicycle, it will last for a month. So you better pick it like this, and so then you can have it last for a month. Yeah? Let's go on to the next thing. Woohoo! Cherry tree. This is a cherry tree. Do you want to pick some, Louise? He's starting to go independent again. Woohoo! She made a tricycle. Try and get the big one so then it's better and more juicy. They're much better if they're juicy, so that's why my dad went to this tree to get some juicy ones. Yeah. Let's try it. This is mine? Yes. I'm gonna try this one. Yum. This one? Try. Can't eat that. Yum, yum. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Well, yum. Yeah. Yep. Yummy. I'm going to try the other one. As you can see, we're at the cherry farm. Watch me. You see how beautiful they are? this one. Ready? Say 1.